Hey, it's Mike with Carlisle Events, and the Carlisle Truck Nationals presented by A&A Auto Stores is happening August 6th through the 8th at the Carlisle, PA Fairgrounds. Now, normally we would be standing on the fairgrounds as we present these videos to you, but today we are somewhere special. We are at A&A Auto Stores on the Harrisburg Pike right here in Carlisle, and I'm joined by Carlisle Truck Nationals event manager Ed Shally. Ed, besides this video, why are we here?
Well, A&A is our official performance parts installer at the Carlisle Fairgrounds throughout the season and the presenting sponsor of the Carlisle Truck Nationals. I'm here today. It's not just lip service. They're installing parts for me. So we thought we'd stop over, say hello to our friends here, let you know what we have going on for the Truck Nationals.
In addition to A&A, talk about some of the other great Midway partners that our guests can interact with.
Well, we'll have Skyjacker with lift kits. We have tire dealers, More Than Tires. Jack Williams Tire will be on site. LED lights, anything for your truck for this weekend, including the swap meet and the vendors.
Make sure you visit our great swap meet vendors, many of whom have come to Carlisle for the first time this year, and we can't wait to have them be at the event with you. We told you we're at the A&A Auto Stores. They will actually let us go inside, so let's go check out what they've got to offer you. One of the best parts about the partnership with A&A Auto Stores is that they will be on site doing installs of products that you can pick up at the show. We're talking about bed covers from our friends at Truck Hero and Xtang. They're going to be doing those types of installs. There's cold air intakes. This just scratches the surface of some of the great installs that you can have done to your truck, all while you enjoy the Carlisle Truck Nationals. And when you spend a day walking around the Carlisle, PA Fairgrounds at the Truck Nationals, you're going to be exhausted. In all seriousness, our friends at A&A Auto Stores will install for free great products like these exhaust systems. You purchase it at the show, they'll put it on for you for free, all while you walk the grounds and enjoy the Carlisle Truck Nationals. And I'm talking about brands like Gibson, Borla, MagnaFlow, and so much more. It's all part of the great partnership that we have with A&A Auto Stores and the Carlisle Truck Nationals. You can check out this year, in no particular order, our Big Rig Show and Shine. We also have Vanorama. It's back showcasing cool custom vans. There are tractors here with the Williams Grove Historical Steam Engine Association. The show field, where nearly 2,000 trucks spanning the history of production will be on display. We also have featured trucks in Building T, including fire trucks and cool custom trucks. The Low Show is all new at Carlisle this year, so you can see 200 plus lowered and mini trucks. Plus, we have special guests and activities that the kids are going to love. We have Bawana Jim's Wildlife Show. We have monster truck rides with the Virginia Giant, monster truck shows with Shockwave and Be Aware. The Moto Motion Freestyle Demo Stunt Jumps are coming to Carlisle, as is Freestyle Motocross Stunt Jumps and Tricks. The Low Truck Limbo showcases not only those lowered trucks, but other trucks in front of the main stage. There's a High Truck Challenge, Frame Dragging, Big Rig Glow Show, Low Truck Skate Party around the grounds, and Axe Throwing. Now, for the axe throwing and monster truck rides, an additional fee and height and age restrictions may apply. And while you're walking the grounds enjoying the Carlisle Truck Nationals, be sure to stop by our concessionaires. We have a great selection of food, some of which you can only experience here at Carlisle. The Carlisle Truck Nationals, without a doubt, family fun. Kids 12 and under get in free. And this is an opportunity for you and your kids to see the real-life versions of the trucks and tractors and toys that you play with at home in real life at the show. Now, if you're an adult, your ticket is $15 or $13 if you purchase it online. We also offer a $5 military discount available for the ID holder only in person, and that's for active, reserved, or retired military. We have a couple of different packages as well, including adult admission for 2 plus parking, which is available to purchase online at $35. Or if you'd like to purchase a full event pass, that's a ticket for you every day of the event. That's $25 if you purchase at the venue or $21 if you purchase online. These are just a few of the great and affordable ways that you can enjoy the Carlisle Truck Nationals. Parking is $10 when you come out, and there's still time to register your truck for the show field. It's $65 if you want to be judged, or $50 if you're looking for the non-judged option. You can get all of these details and so much more online at carlisleevents.com. You can also review the event guide, map, and schedule on the website. And don't forget to download the Carlisle Events app for easy and handy access as you navigate the show. And finally, remember to bring out a non-perishable item as we continue to support Project Share. We have bins and tins near the main gate for that donation. And if you can't bring an item with you, you can make a monetary donation at the web address at the bottom of your screen. The Carlisle Truck Nationals, August 6th through the 8th at the Carlisle, PA Fairgrounds. We can't wait to see you here.